Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your computer teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, Cascading Style Sheets. And in this session we'll discuss about various properties of text like text align, text indent, colors, text decoration, text transform, line height, and word spacing properties. First, we'll discuss about text align. The text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text. The values are left, right, center, and justify. And one thing more, we can use all text properties inside any tag that contains the text. For example, h1 tag, p tag, or any other tag that contains the text. So here we are having the example of text align colon center. So if you want to use this property, let's demonstrate. Here we are having a page. By default, the text is aligned to left of all the paragraphs. If you want to change the alignment of paragraph text, then P, then text hyphen align column. I want to align it to right. Save it. Now you can see the text alignment has been changed for all the paragraphs. You can also specify justify. Then now you can see the text has been justified from both of the locations. So that is all about text align property. Next we'll discuss text indent property. The text indent property is used to specify the indentation of the first line of text. So that means you can specify the space before first line of a paragraph. You can assign value as a number or percentage to this property, and here we are having an example of paragraph that is text indent colon equals to 40 pixel or any other value that you want to assign. So after text align, next property we will assign text hyphen indent colon, I'll specify 50 px. So save it. Now you can see there is not any text indent before first line in any of the paragraph. When you will refresh the page, then the text indent has been changed to 50 pixels. So that is all about text indent property. Next we'll discuss about color property. The color property is used to set the color of text. The color is specified by using the name of color, a hexadecimal value preceded with a hash symbol, or RGB values, that is red, green, or blue values for a color. You can specify any. So if you want to make any changes in the color, let's suppose I want to make change in the color of this tag, then that is h2 tag. So then I will define h2 then color colon red, then yes. Now you can see the color has been changed. Even you can change the color of paragraph text also. Then color colon blue semicolon. If you will use multiple properties in CSS, then the semicolon is used as a separator. Save it. Now you can see the color has been changed. So That is all about color property. Next property that we will discuss, that is text decoration. The text decoration property is used to set or remove decorations from text. The valid values are underline, overline, line through, blank, blink, or none. So that means if you want to underline some text, then you can use this property, underline property value, then overline above the text, line through, that is strike through the text, then blink the text, or none. None property is used if you don't want. Let's suppose here in this example I have used text decoration color none with anchor tag. So that means if you will use that this property like this, then that hyperlink will be there will not be underlined. By default, any hyperlink is underlined. Then if you want to remove that underline from a hyperlink, then you can use text decoration equal to none. But you can use this property text decoration with any other tag also. So for example, uh, I want to use with h2, I'll use overline text hyphen decoration colon overline. So now you can see the text has been overlined for with h1 or paragraph tag. I'll use h1 text hyphen decoration colon text decoration equal to line through, then line through. Now you can see that. So that was the effect of text decoration property. Next we will discuss about text transform. The text transform property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. The valid values are capitalize, uppercase, lowercase, and none. If you will assign capitalize, then it will capitalize first character of each word. If you will use uppercase, then capitalize all characters. If you will use lowercase, convert all character to lowercase. If you will none, then that will be the default, then nothing will happen. So that means text transform property is used to change the case of specified text. If you want to, let's suppose I'll use text with h2, I will use text transform uppercase. Then you can see the text has been changed to uppercase, and next property we will capitalize. Then I'll use with the text transform capitalize. It will change the convert each letter, each first letter of each word to uppercase. Now you can see H is capitalized, A is capitalized, T is capitalized, then F, then HTML was already capitalized. Next property we are having line height. It is used to specify the space between lines of text. So we can specify the value as a number or percentage if you want to increase the height of each line, or you can say you can increase the space between the lines, then you can use this property. So let's start with, I'll use this with the paragraph tag because we need multiple lines. line space height column. I'll use 30 px. It will increase the height of the line. So by default, this is the space between the lines, or you can say height of line. If you will increase, then it will increase the height between the lines, or you can say the space between the lines. So that is all about line height property. Next, we are having word spacing. It is used to increase or decrease the space between words of a paragraph. So that means you can specify word spacing value as a number or normal word. Normal means nothing will change. Then you can assign word spacing as a, here we are having assigned 10 px as a word spacing for paragraph tag. So let's start with the example. If you want to increase the space between the different words, then word hyphen word spacing column, I'll specify 50 px. Then so this one is the default word spacing. If you will increase, then now you can check the space has been increased, but you don't have to use that much value. So I will decrease this value 20 px. So it looks better now. So that was all about text properties that we are having in CSS. So if you people are having any kind of doubt related to any of these properties, then feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you very much.